we could transform. And as again Amit has said, some hotels and others graciously gave us access and schools to their facilities, which could be transformed into isolation centers that were affordable to the average Kenyan. Secondly, I've mentioned that we also introduced a stimulus package, and I've mentioned about Kazi Mtaani and where it came to. But we also realized we had to increase from those, especially civil servants and others, and the average Kenyan worker. We realized that we also needed to increase their disposable income during this difficult time. And we came up with measures such as, for all those earning 24,000 shillings and less, we released and relieved them from tax deductions, VAT, pay as you earn, and such other things to Kaondoa, so that people would have more disposable income. We reduced our VAT by 2%, just to mention but a few of the actions that we took to help ease the pressure on Kenyans. And by the way, I must also recall that the Kazi Mtaani program went a long way, not only to help provide an income for many thousands of Kenyans who were out of work, but it also went a long way to help us prevent a lot of diseases that were related to dirt and filth, illnesses like diarrhea, cholera, malaria. By extension, we were fighting coronavirus, putting money into people's pockets, but at the same time, we realized that action was also helping us deal with other common diseases that had afflicted many, especially in our urban centers. And most importantly, it kept our youth away from indulging in crime-related viruses. So ladies and gentlemen, these are just a few of the measures that we took to help us grapple with this menace of COVID-19. But I also want to talk a little bit about vaccines, because when